Welcome to Module 2. This is Lesson 1, how to set up your book. If you don't know where to get your topic or how to nail down your topic or idea, this lesson is going to help you with that. The first thing you want to do is think of a main idea or a main topic. This could be something that you can talk about for like a long time without it being any difficulty. So first, this will be the entire theme of what your book is about. So you want to come up with one main theme or one main topic, and then we're going to create some subtopics around that. Now, if you don't have a topic or if you don't know exactly what specific niche that you want to go into, I would pick 3 of the topics that you may be interested in. And then out of those 3, select the one that you connect with the most. You could also use some of my favorite tools, Quora, you can use Google, or you can use YouTube. These 3 will give you related topics that people are talking about in regards to your niche. So in the workbook for this particular lesson, make sure you download it and then just complete the steps, which is going to be writing down your main topic. And the reason we want to write everything down is because you're that much more likely to get it done, to be completed. And then you'll have kind of a step system and a guideline for you to do all the things you need to do for your book. So make sure you write down your topics on the worksheet for this module, and then you're free to move on to the next lesson.